My name is René Rail-Ip.
My name is Grouchy.
Hao Yan.
We are graduate students at the University of Toronto in engineering.
So in the winter semester of 2013, we took a graduate level course called EC 1778, or Creative Applications for Mobile Devices, which was taught by Professor Jonathan Rose here at U of T. For the course project, we developed a mobile application on the Android phone to wirelessly and intuitively control this robotic manipulator. Furthermore, we implemented a record and playback functionality that lets the user record their movements as they go through a trajectory and play them back in an accurate and repeatable fashion. We've decided to release the code open source, and you can find it in the GitHub link below so that users and developers can further use it in the future.
So without further ado, we're going to present to you the Android Robotic Manipulator, aka A.R.M.
Okay, so we'll demonstrate the basic functionality of the robot. It operates in two modes: A.R.M mode, which allows for control of the 3 base motors, and RISC mode, which allows control of the 2 top motors. So in A.R.M mode, you can watch as the phone is moved around. The robot actually tracks the directions being applied. So as you can see it moving left and right, it tracks those motions, and moving up and down, it also tracks those motions. Now what makes the control intuitive is that no matter how the phone is oriented or held, the motions are absolute in real-world coordinates. So as you move, no matter how the phone is held, it'll go down or up based on the phone's sensors. And so there's a second mode, which is RISC mode. It allows you to control the 2 top motors directly. So you can control the pitch of the wrist joint directly, or the roll of the wrist joint. And this allows for a more precise control if you're trying to get to a certain spot in your workspace. And finally, there's a home command that we can use just to home the robot back to its initial position, which is this position right here. So now we'll demonstrate the record and playback functionality. So what we're going to do is bring the robot over here and pick up this piece of paper and bring it and dump it into the bin. As we're doing this, the trajectories will be recorded on the phone. And then we will play back these trajectories, and the robot will be able to accurately and repeatably perform the exact same motions and bring that paper back into the bin.
A.R.M position recorded. 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 Home. Commencing playback. Playback complete.